Hello, friends! Today we're going on a super fun adventure to the zoo. We'll explore and meet lots of amazing animals like lions, pandas, giraffes, and even penguins. Are you ready to discover the wild world of the zoo? Let's grab our zoo map and get started. Look at this map. The zoo is so big with so many animals to visit. Where should we go first? Let's start with the lions. Let's see. Oh, the lions are right over here. Lions are known as the kings of the jungle. They live in groups called prides and love to rest under shady trees. Did you know a lion's roar can be heard up to 5 miles away? That's amazing! Let's check the map for our next animal. Next stop, elephants. Wow, elephants are the largest land animals on Earth. They have long trunks to pick up food, drink water, and even give themselves a shower. Elephants love to eat grass, fruits, and bark. They're so gentle and kind. Let's go back to the map. It's time to meet the zebras. Look at those black and white stripes. Each zebra has a unique pattern, just like our fingerprints. Zebras love to eat grass and stay in herds for safety. What a cool animal! What's next on our map? Ooh, let's visit the giraffes next. Giraffes are the tallest animals in the world. Their long necks help them reach the leaves at the top of tall trees. They love to munch on acacia leaves. Isn't that fascinating? Back to the map. Next up, penguins. Penguins may live in cold places, but they sure know how to have fun. They waddle around and slide on their bellies. Penguins eat fish and are excellent swimmers. What fun creatures! Where to next? Let's go meet the tigers. Tigers have beautiful orange coats with black stripes. They're powerful hunters and love eating meat. Tigers are also great swimmers. Look how majestic they are. Let's check the map again. Oh, the monkey exhibit is close by. Monkeys are playful and love to swing from tree to tree. They eat fruits, leaves, and even insects. Can you scratch your head like a monkey? Haha, they're so silly. Next stop on the map. Let's visit the flamingos. Flamingos are bright pink because of the food they eat, shrimp and algae. They stand on one leg to rest. Look at them walking gracefully by the water. Back to the map we go. It's time to hop over to the kangaroos. Kangaroos have strong legs to jump long distances. They carry their babies, called joeys, in their pouches. Boing, boing! Can you hop like a kangaroo? Check the map for the next animal. Let's go find the pandas. Pandas are fluffy and love to eat bamboo all day. They're calm and peaceful animals. Look at that adorable face. Aren't they the cutest? Where to next? Let's head to the bear habitat next. Bears are big and strong. They love eating berries, honey, and fish. Some bears hibernate in the winter, which means they sleep for months to save energy. Isn't that cool? Let's see who's next on our map. Oh, it's time to visit the rhinoceroses. Rhinos are huge animals with thick skin and 1 or 2 horns on their noses. They love eating grass, fruits, and leaves. Did you know rhinos can run fast despite their size? Back to the map we go. Next up, the parrot aviary. Parrots are colorful birds that love to mimic sounds, including human voices. They eat seeds, nuts, and fruits. Look at those bright feathers. Aren't they amazing? Time to check the map for the next animal. Let's visit the peacocks now. Peacocks have beautiful, shiny tail feathers. They spread out like a fan. They love to eat seeds and insects. Did you know only male peacocks have the big, colorful tails? How fancy! What's next on our map? It's time to meet the wolves. Wolves live in packs and love to howl to communicate with each other. They are smart hunters and eat meat. Look how they run together like a family. Let's check the map again. Next stop, the hippos. Hippos are large animals that spend most of their time in the water to stay cool. They love eating grass and can hold their their breath underwater for a long time. What funny big mouths they have. Back to the map for our next animal. Let's visit the cheetahs next. Cheetahs are the fastest land animals, running up to 60 miles per hour. They have spotted coats to help them hide while hunting. What incredible speedsters! What's next on the map? Time to meet the otters. Otters are playful animals that love to swim and eat fish. They hold hands while they sleep in the water to stay close. How cute is that? Let's head back to the map. Let's visit the crocodiles. Crocodiles are powerful reptiles that live near rivers and lakes. They eat fish, birds, and other animals. They're excellent swimmers and can stay underwater for a long time. What's our last stop? Finally, let's meet the owls. Owls are nocturnal, which means they are awake at night. They have big eyes to see in the dark and love to eat small animals like mice. Their hoots are so calming, don't you think? What an incredible day at the zoo, kids! We met so many amazing animals and learned cool facts about them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun adventures. Time to meet some wild animals. Welcome to our channel. Today we will learn about wild animals. Let's go! Tiger. Tiger's sound is roar. Fun fact, tigers are excellent swimmers. Lion. Lion sound is roar. Fun fact, a lion's roar can be heard up to 5 miles away. Monkey. The monkey sound is chatter. Fun fact, monkeys use their tails to balance and sometimes to hold on to things. Elephant. The elephant sound is trumpet. Fun fact, elephants can recognize themselves in a mirror. Deer. The deer's sound is bleat. Fun fact, deer have a good sense of hearing and can detect sounds from far away. Parrot. The parrot sound is squawk. Fun fact, parrots can mimic human speech. Giraffe. The giraffe's sound is hum. Fun fact, giraffes have the same number of neck vertebrae as humans, 7. Bear. The bear's sound is growl. Fun fact, bears have an excellent sense of smell, better than dogs. Fox. The fox's sound is bark. Fun fact, foxes have whiskers on their legs to help them navigate. Zebra. The zebra's sound is bray. Fun fact, each zebra has a unique pattern of black and white stripes. Rhinoceros. The rhinoceros sound is grunt. Fun fact, a group of rhinos is called a crash. Hyena. The hyena's sound is laugh. It sounds like laughing. Fun fact, hyenas have very strong jaws that can crush bones. Sloth. The sloth sound is quiet squeak. Fun fact, sloths move so slowly that algae can grow on their fur. Crocodile. The crocodile sound is hiss. Fun fact, crocodiles can hold their breath underwater for up to an hour. Gorilla. The gorilla's sound is hoot. Fun fact, gorillas can learn sign language to communicate with humans. Peacock. The peacock's sound is scream. Fun fact, peacocks can fly short distances despite their large size and heavy tail feathers. Hippo. The hippo sound is grunt. Fun fact, hippos can hold their breath for about 5 minutes underwater. Koala. fact, koalas sleep up to 18 hours a day. Hope you had fun! Don't forget to hit the subscribe button. See you next time! Hi friends! Welcome to our fun learning time. Today, we're going to discover what different animals love to eat. Are you ready? Let's go! Ooh, look at this cheeky monkey. Monkeys love to eat bananas and other yummy fruits. They are super good at climbing trees to find their snacks. Monkeys love to munch on fruits, insects, and nuts. They are omnivores. Look, it's a mighty lion. What do lions eat? Lions love to eat meat. They are strong hunters in the wild. Lions are fierce carnivores, eating only meat to stay strong. And here's a sweet little rabbit. What do rabbits love to munch on? That's right, crunchy carrots and leafy greens. Yummy! Rabbits enjoy nibbling on vegetables and grass. They're herbivores. Whoa, here comes a big elephant. What do elephants eat? They love to munch on grass, leaves, and even tree branches. Elephants use their long trunks to pick up food. Can you make an elephant sound like this? As elephants feast on leaves, grass, and fruits, they're herbivores. Here's a cow. Cows love to eat grass all day long. They even chew it over and over. Cows munch on grass all day long. They're herbivores. Look at this colorful parrot. Parrots love to eat seeds, fruits, and nuts. They use their strong beaks to crack open nuts. Parrots are omnivores. Uh-oh, here comes a big hungry bear. Bears love to eat fish, honey, and berries. They're very good at catching fish from rivers. They're omnivores. Oh, it's a little squirrel. Squirrels love to eat nuts and seeds. They even hide their food in the ground to save it for later. As squirrels snack on nuts and fruits, they are herbivores. And look, a panda bear. Pandas love to eat bamboo shoots and leaves. They eat a lot of it every day. Can you pretend to chew bamboo like a panda? Pandas adore bamboo. They're herbivores with a love for plants. Wow, a horse. Horses love to eat hay and grass. They use their big teeth to munch and munch. As horses graze on grass and hay, they're herbivores. Quack, quack! Here comes a duck. Ducks love to eat bugs, fish, and plants they find in ponds. Can you flap your wings and quack like a duck? Ducks are omnivores. Woof, woof! Look at this friendly dog. Dogs love to eat kibble and sometimes meat, just like lions. Can you bark like a dog? Dogs eat meat and kibble, making them omnivores. Look at this slow turtle. Turtles love to eat lettuce, worms, and even little fish. Turtles are omnivores. And here's a sleepy koala. Koalas love to eat eucalyptus leaves. They munch on them all day long. Can you pretend to be a sleepy koala? Koalas are herbivores. What an incredible day at the zoo, kids! We met so many amazing animals and learned cool facts about them. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and join us for more fun adventures.